class 2. Today we will do the exercises on page number 54 from the chapter keyboard and mouse. From the chapter keyboard and mouse. Exercise A. A is fill in the blanks using the words given below. Here right clicking, delete, backspace, num lock, shift. You have to use these words and fill in the blanks. Number 1. There are 2 dash keys on the keyboard. What is it? Is it right clicking keys, delete keys, backspace keys, num lock keys, or shift key? The correct answer is shift keys. There are 2 shift keys, S-H-I-F-T, shift keys on the keyboard. Number 2. The dash key allows us to use the numeric keypad on the right side. So which key allows us to use the numeric keypad on the right side? Now we finish with shift key, we finished. Now the remaining is right clicking, delete key, backspace, and num lock. Which key is it that allows us to use the numeric keypad on the right side? Is it right clicking, delete, backspace, or num lock? It is num lock key. So here right, num lock key allows us to use the numeric keypad on the right side. Now number 3. The dash key erases a letter or a number to the right of the cursor. Which key allows us to erase a letter or a number to the right side of the cursor? Which key? Is it right clicking, delete, or backspace? Which key is it? It is delete key. Delete key erases the letter or number to the right side. So this is my right, to the right side. So the delete, D-E-L-E-T-E, delete key, that is delete key erases a letter or a number to the right of the cursor. This is my right hand, this is the right side. Okay. Now we finish with delete key also. Now remaining is right clicking and backspace. The dash key erases a letter or number to the left of the cursor. Which key? Is it right clicking key or backspace? The answer is backspace. Okay. The backspace, B-A-C-K, back, S-P-A-C, space key erases a letter or a number to the left of the cursor. So the backspace key erases a letter or a number to the left of the cursor, to the left. This is my left hand, to the left of the cursor. The last remaining is right clicking. Now we know the last word is right clicking. We have to fill that right clicking. What does right clicking? We can open a list of commands by dash on an icon. We can open a list of commands by dash on an icon. We can open a list of commands by right clicking. Right clicking by right clicking on an icon. We can open a list of commands by right clicking on an icon. Now next we will do exercise B. State whether the following statements are true or false. You have to write T for true and F for false. Okay, class 2 now. Exercise B on page number 54. State whether the following statements are true or false, F. So state whether the following statements are true. For true you write T, and for false you write F. I will not write the sentences here. Okay, the statements I will not write. Okay, only the answers I am writing. Number 1. When the caps lock light is on, all the letters that you type will be entered as capital letters. Is that true or false? It is true. When the caps lock light is on, all the letters will be typed in capital letters. You write T. And number 2, most QWERTY keyboards have 104 keys. So most QWERTY keyboards have 104 keys. If you look at page number 48, there is written a QWERTY keyboard usually has 104 keys. It is mentioned there also. So it is true. Now number 3. There are 3 shift keys on a standard keyboard. Now if you look at page number 51, there are 2 shift keys on a standard QWERTY keyboard. It is mentioned there on page number 51. Therefore, the statement is true or false. There are 3 shift keys on a standard keyboard. It is false. Number 3 is false. Now next, number 4. We can use a mouse to scroll up or down a page. That is true. You can use a mouse to move and down a page. You can use the scroll wheel on the mouse to move up and down on the page. That is true. Number 5. The backspace key erases letters or numbers to the right of the cursor. If you look at quick recap, number 3. The backspace key erases the letters or number to the left of the cursor. So the last statement is true or false. The quick recap says the backspace key erases the letter or number to the left of the cursor. Here the statement number 5 says the backspace key erases letters or numbers to the right of the cursor. That is false. Number 5 is false. So with that we complete exercise B. Now C. Match the keys in column A with their description in column B. In column A, you match the keys in column A with their description in column B. Now shift key plus 7. Now this is longest key. No. Keys to erase characters left of cursor. This one no. And keys to type and symbol. So this is C. Shift key plus 7 key is C, that is keys to type and symbol. Number 2, space bar key, longest key, keys to erase characters on left of the cursor. So space bar key is the longest key, A, longest key. Now 3, backspace key, what is here? A and C, what left here? B, right here B. Backspace key, keys to erase characters on the left of the cursor, and you have to paste the correct key stickers on page number 55. If you look at page number 55, there it is written there and shown also. Okay, here can you see this page number 55? Here there are some spaces there to paste stickers. Now for the stickers you will go at the last page. Okay, here if you go to the last page, for the stickers you turn to page number 92. Page number 92, there you can see the stickers there. You can see the stickers here. Here first you have to paste shift plus 7, then space bar, and last one is backspace. You have to paste these stickers, okay, on page number 5 to 52. You're not 5 to 50, on page number 55 you have to paste that stickers on page number 55. Now we'll do answer the following questions briefly. Okay, now class 2, now exercise D. Answer the following questions briefly. Okay, answer the following questions briefly. Now, question number 1. How many alphabet keys are there on a QWERTY keyboard? How many alphabet keys are there on a QWERTY keyboard? Answer is 26. There are 26 alphabet, 26 keys. 26 keys. Now, question number 2. How many arrow keys does a keyboard have? Now if you look at page number 48, figure 5.2. Here you can see the figure 5.2. Here now you can see how many arrow keys. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many arrow keys does a keyboard have? A keyboard has how many? 4 arrow keys. 4 arrow keys. Now, next, what is a cursor? If you look at page number 48 again, you should know. Can you see that? You should know that it's written here. What is a cursor? Cursor is a blinking line on the screen. It shows the position where the next letter or next number can be typed. So what is a cursor? A cursor is a blinking line on the screen. What is a cursor? Cursor is a blinking line on the screen. Okay. C-U-R-S-O-R. Cursor is a blinking line on the screen. And what does it do? It shows the position. The position where the next letter or number can be typed. Okay. What is a cursor? Cursor is a blinking line on the screen. It shows the position where the next letter or number can be typed. Now, question number 4. How many function keys are there on a keyboard? Now, look at page again 48 only. Function keys. Can you see that? The keys on the topmost row of the keyboard are called function keys. There are 12 function keys. How many function keys are there? There are 12 function keys. There are how many? 12. T-W-E-L-V. 12 function keys. There are 12 function keys on the keyboard. So there are 12 function keys. Now last one, name the mouse action used to open an item on the screen. Now look at page number 5 to 52. Now in 5.1 is written mouse actions. Can you see that? In 5.51 is written mouse action, and in that on continuation of that subtopic on page number 52, double click. Now double clicking is used to open file, folders or programs on the computer. So name the mouse action used to open an item on the screen. Double click. So double clicking is used to open files, folders or programs on the computer. So with that we complete exercise ABCD. Okay, do this in your copy, question answers, or you can do it in your book also. You can do it in your book as well as in your copy. So since you are missing a class, I'll show you a class here. Okay, your class is here. Here you can see Sanjay sir busy, yeah, with his assignments here. You can see the school down there. You can see the charts on the walls also. No, can you see? So yeah, have a look at the classroom. You have not visited this since long time. No, you can have a look how it looks right now. Yeah. So you do your work, okay, in your copy or in your book.